What's up, guys? What's going on? Today we're going to be talking about USD coin, USDC. This is a beginner's guide to a regulated stablecoin for secure transactions, USDC. Let's get into it. In the dynamic world of cryptocurrency, where prices can swing dramatically, USD coin, USDC, offers a steady alternative as a stablecoin. USDC is designed to hold its constant value, making it ideal for beginners who want to dip their toes into digital finance without the roller coaster rides of assets like Bitcoin. USDC is pegged 1-to-1 to the US dollar, and it continues the reliability of traditional money with the speed and efficiency of blockchain technology. In 2025, with over $67 billion in circulation, it becomes a cornerstone for secure global transactions trusted by millions worldwide. What is USDC coin? USDC is a digital currency or stablecoin that mirrors the value of the US dollar. Unlike volatile cryptocurrencies, its price remains stable at around $1 per token. Launched in 2018 by Circle, Internet Financial, and Century Consortium, which includes Coinbase, USDC acts as a digital dollar. This means for every USDC token in existence, there's an equivalent amount of real US dollars or cash-like assets held in reserve. This backing ensures users can always redeem their USDC for actual dollars, providing peace of mind. Think of USDC as cash in your digital wallet. It's not meant for speculative games, but for practical use, like sending money across borders or storing value safely. As of August 2025, USDC is available on 23 blockchain networks, including Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, allowing seamless movement between platforms. This multi-chain support makes it versatile for various apps and services. How does USDC work? USDC operates on blockchain technology, which is like a secure, decentralized ledger that records all transactions transparently. To get USDC, users deposit US dollars into a Circle account or buy it on exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. Circle then mints new USDC tokens, adding them to the blockchain. When you want cash back, you burn the tokens by redeeming them for dollars. The key to its stability is the reserves, 100% backed by cash, short-term U.S. treasuries, and other low-risk assets. Mostly in the Circle Reserve fund managed by BlackRock. Independent audits by firms like Deloitte verify this monthly, ensuring transparency. Transactions happen 24/7, settling in seconds for pennies, far cheaper than faster than traditional bank wires. Regulation and security features. What sets USDC apart is its strong regulatory framework. Circle, the issuer, holds licenses in multiple jurisdictions, making USDC the world's largest regulated stablecoin. In April 2025, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, confirmed that USDC isn't classified as a security, thanks to its stable design and redeemable backing. This clarity boosts confidence and adoption. Security is paramount. Reserves are custodied at traditional or trusted banks like Bank of New York Mellon, with daily public reports. Unlike some stablecoins facing scrutiny, USDC has a clean record, with no major depegging events in recent years. Blockchain's immutable nature adds another layer. Once a transaction is recorded, it can be can't be altered, reducing fraud risks. Uses for secure transactions in 2025. In 2025, USDC shines for secure transactions. It's perfect for cross-border payments where traditional methods are slow and expensive. Businesses use it for instant settlements, while individuals send remittances globally without high fees. In decentralized finance, DeFi, USDC enables lending, borrowing, and trading without banks. For example, platforms like Shopify now integrate USDC via Coinbase for quick, low-cost e-commerce payments. It's also popular in emerging markets for helping against for hedging against currency volatility. Users in Argentina or Nigeria can hold stable digital dollars without integrations like Circle's cross-chain transfer protocol. Moving USDC between blockchain is effortless, enhancing security and efficiency. Recent developments include minting $750 million on Solana in August 2025, reflecting growing demand. As stablecoin market eyes trillions, USDC leads with 26 trillion in all-time volume. Benefits and outlook for 2025. USDC benefits include stability, speed, low cost, and accessibility. Anyone with internet can use it. In 2025, amid regulatory advancements and blockchain expansions, it's poised for wider adoption. Goldman Sachs predicts stablecoins could reach trillions, with USDC benefiting from its compliance edge. However, risks exist. Market stress could cause temporary depegging, though rare for USDC. Always use reputable wallets and exchanges. USDC demystifies crypto for beginners by offering a regulated, secure stable coin for everyday transactions. In 2025, it's not just money, it's a tool for global finance, bridging traditional and digital worlds. Without your paying bills, trading, or saving, or whether you're paying bills, trading, or saving, USDC provides reliability in uncertain market. Start small, research exchanges, and explore this digital dollar today. So I hope you kind of understand more about what USDC is now. Hopefully that provided some kind of insight for you. But yeah, you can get that on Coinbase. I have a link in the description. It's simple.bio link. If you click that, it gives you all my affiliate links, and you can find Coinbase there. And I think when you deposit, it's either $20 or $30. It might be 30. I don't know. You get $20 free. I believe in Bitcoin. So start today. Sign up under my link. I appreciate it. It's down there in the description, simple.bio link. It's also on the homepage of this YouTube channel. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a comment below, and we will see you guys on the next video. Smash the like, subscribe, share it out, and peace out till next time.